Welcome to RTX-2101 and 2801 side border installation training. There are two flat border sizes and two transition border sizes for the RTX-2101 and 2801 display series. Part numbers for the borders are etched into the metal for identification purposes. Refer to the drawings and documentation for details on border types and sizes. Side borders may be installed at any point before or after display sections are mounted to the structure. It is recommended to clean the perimeter of the cabinet with a clean rig prior to installing the border. To install the side border, first identify the correct border size that matches the display section size. Bring the border into position, ensuring the pre-punched holes in the border align with the pilot holes in the section perimeter. Use the provided HC1186 tap screws to fasten the border to the section perimeter in all pre-punch hole locations in the border.